Ask almost any Cambodian what they're cooking at their barbecue, party, karaoke night, fishing and camping trip, and they will most certainly tell you steak and Prahok. Yes, Cambodians love their Prahok. Prahok is a traditional Cambodian fermented fish paste that is used in various dishes to add flavor and depth. It's a staple ingredient in Cambodian cuisine and has a distinctive taste. The history of Cambodian Prahok is a fascinating journey that spans centuries and reflects the cultural, economic, and culinary evolution of the Khmer people. Prahok's history can be traced back to the early days of the Khmer civilization, during the time of the Khmer Empire, 9th to 15th centuries. It is believed that Prahok was first developed as a way to preserve surplus fish, ensuring a reliable source of sustenance during periods of scarcity. In a region where access to fresh food could be challenging, Prahok provided a valuable source of protein and nutrients. This fermented fish paste became a staple in the Khmer diet, helping to meet the nutritional needs of the population. As the Khmer Empire flourished, so did the production of Prahok. The paste's popularity extended beyond local consumption, leading to its role as a significant trade commodity. Prahok was traded with neighboring regions and kingdoms, contributing to economic exchanges and cultural interactions. Prahok's significance extended beyond its nutritional value. It became deeply ingrained in Khmer culinary traditions and cultural identity. The art of Prahok making was passed down through generations, often involving families and communities in the process. The production and consumption of Prahok faced challenges during the Khmer Rouge regime, 1975 to 1979. The regime's policies disrupted traditional practices, and Prahok production declined significantly. However, some resourceful individuals managed to secretly continue making Prahok to sustain their families. After the fall of the Khmer Rouge, Cambodia began to rebuild its culture and economy. Prahok production gradually revived, reflecting the resilience of the Khmer people and their determination to preserve their culinary heritage. While Prahok remains a traditional ingredient, it has also adapted to contemporary tastes and preferences. Chefs and home cooks have found creative ways to incorporate Prahok into modern dishes, blending tradition with innovation. Today, Prahok continues to play a central role in Cambodian cuisine. It is used in a variety of dishes, such as soups, stews, curries, and dips, adding depth and complexity to flavors. Prahok's unique umami flavor and aroma remain a defining element of Khmer food. The history of Cambodian Prahok showcases its enduring significance as a cultural, culinary, and historical artifact. It embodies the resourcefulness, resilience, and rich heritage of the Khmer people, serving as a reminder of their deep connection to the land and its resources. The next time you're at a Cambodian restaurant, ask them for a Prahok dish, or a dish that contains Prahok.